Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Samashi. I am going to start my videos now. A glass flask whose volume is exactly 1000 centimeter cube at 0 degree Celsius is filled with full of mercury at this temperature. When flask and mercury are heated to 100 degree Celsius, 15.2 centimeter cube of mercury overflow if the cubical expansivity of mercury is 0.000182 per degree Kelvin. Find the linear expansivity of the glass. Now we want to solve question solution. First of all, we have to write given things. Now given volume of flask at 0 degree Celsius Vg 0 equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Volume of mercury at 0 degree Celsius means Vm0 equal to 1000 centimeter cube. In volume of mercury overflowing volume of mercury overflowing at 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius, oh, there is mistake. 100, it's only 100, not 1000. So 100 degrees Celsius equal to volume of 100 degrees Celsius of mercury minus volume of flask 100 degree equal to 15.2 is given on the question. You have to see 15.2 centimeter cube is given. And then cubical expansivity of mercury means gamma equal to 0.000182 degrees per degree Celsius. Linear expansivity of glass alpha equal to what? We have to find that. Now volume of glass flask at 100 degrees Celsius Vg 100 degree Celsius equal to Vgd 0 degree Celsius into 1 plus gamma into 100, means 100 into 1 plus 3 alpha 100 here. The relation between alpha and gamma is 3 alpha equal to gamma. Now after then Vg 100 degree Celsius equal to 1000 1 plus 3 alpha into 100, and V volume of mercury at 100 degree Celsius, Vm 100 degree Celsius equal to Vm 0 degree into 1 plus alpha 100 of volume of mercury 100 degree Celsius equal to 1000 into 1 plus 3 not put the value of y, means 0.000182 into 100. Oh, we have to do mistake. We have to put equation 1 in first, then equation 2, then put equation 2 for the next step. I am forget, and equation 3 by calculating. By calculating, our answer comes as Vm 100 degree Celsius is 1018.2 centimeter cube. Again, using equation 1, 2, equation sorry, there is also 3, equation 3, 2, 3 and 1, we get hundred 18.2 minus 100 not 1000 into 1 plus 3 alpha into 100 equal to 15.2. Overflow. Formula of overflow. 1018.2 minus 1000 minus 3000 alpha equal to 15.2. Alpha equal to 3 upon 3000. 3000 not 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Whenever means that 30,000, and our answer come by dividing 1.0 into 10 to the power 5 per degree Celsius. Therefore, the linear expansivity of glass flask equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 degree per Celsius. That's our required answer. Now you have to see this. If you want to take a screenshot, then you will take. And thank you watching my videos.